Welcome to TLH Patterns. I am Pradeepa. In this video, let's see how to crochet these cute scrunchies. You'll just need a small amount of yarn. Use any kind that you have with a suitable hook. I've taken yarn in two colors. These are sport weight or category 2, and I'm using a 4 mm crochet hook. You'll need these plain hairbands of any size. Let's start. I'll first make a knot. I'm doing this to secure the yarn more tightly and prevent it from unraveling. Then I'll make 3 chains. This will count as the first double crochet stitch. Then make as many double crochet stitches as possible into the ring. Also, now and then push in the stitches like this so that they are very tightly packed, and also you are left with space for more stitches. No part of the elastic should be visible. Once you have completed this round, you can join with a slip stitch to the third chain at the beginning of the round. For the next round, I'm going to join a new color. Pull the other yarn through the loop and tighten the loop by pulling the old yarn. And now start working using the new color. Make 3 chains. Make a single crochet in the next stitch. Make 3 chains. Then work a single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this around. Finally, make a slip stitch at the beginning of the round and fasten off. Then you can weave in the loose end of yarn. This one I made with fingering weight yarn and a smaller needle, so it's obviously smaller than the other one. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you.